What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new trade. So, live trading is a bit boring, you know? Okay, so we were in a huge 1 minute zone, right? So, this 1 minute zone here. Okay, so price went to 666, and then they printed an IFVG, and I aggressively entered in this candle knowing that it was going to close under the IFVG, stop above the balance price range. So this was my confirmation. If you go down 2 seconds, you will see that we broke structure here. Okay, so that's why I violently shorted this. Okay, let's go back to the M1. So my target, to be honest, don't want to be greedy. Okay, so I risked 380 to make, let's make it 2K for Christmas. Okay, so we are supposed to be down, going down. So every up candle should support price down. Any closure above an up candle and I'm out. Okay, I can get greedy, to be honest, because once we close under here, it's game on to target lower. Okay, how much is this? 80. Okay, I can target here, to be honest, but I'm not a greedy guy, right? Can't know what can happen. 2K is enough for me. Okay, I will cover. All right.
Order filled.
That's order filled. Okay, so that's how I use the IFVG to target the LR, and I have context of this money maker zone. I know price is going here, but I'm not a greedy guy. Okay, I just want to be in and out, secure my money, be done. Right? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this one as well, and I'll see you. Okay, ciao. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any futures update. And if you want to dive deeper into the moneymaker setup, check out the playlist that will pop up in the end screen. It's packed with everything you need to get started. Remember, everything I do is free, including our thriving Discord community. Join us and let's keep growing together. Ciao, ciao.